In the heart of English football, rivalries aren't just about points on a table. They're about history, identity, pride. One such rivalry, Coventry City versus Sunderland AFC, has simmered for decades. More than just a fixture, it's a mirror, a reflection of social tension, economic upheaval, and cultural passion across regional England. Coventry, rebuilt from wartime ruins, an industrial force in the Midlands. Sunderland, a proud northern port, shaped by coal and shipbuilding. Both cities, built by the working class. Both clubs, born from community spirit. Coventry City, founded in 1883. Sunderland AFC in 1879. These teams became beacons of identity on muddy pitches and terraces. While not the fiercest rivalry in England, the tension sharpened during pivotal moments. Promotion races, relegation scraps. The stakes were never just sporting, they were personal. 1976 to 77. A moment etched in controversy. Coventry's match starts late. News filters through. Sunderland have lost. Coventry plays for a draw, just enough to stay up. Sunderland are relegated. Resentment takes root. Years pass, but the memory lingers. Recent encounters in the Championship and League One have only reignited the flames. Packed stadiums, sold-out away ends, fierce chants echoing from stands. This is more than football, it's unfinished business. Passion and identity. These matches ignite something primal. Generations stand side by side, draped in colors that define them. Local pride runs deep. Economic impact. Matchday means money. Pubs overflow. Shops thrive. Tickets sell. Sponsorships boom. Community engagement. Rivalry fuels outreach. Mental health campaigns. Youth football programs. Charity drives. It's rivalry with purpose. But passion has a dark side. Violence and disorder. Derby Day can mean confrontation, arrests, vandalism, a strain on public resources, toxicity online. Rivalries spill into digital battlegrounds, abuse, threats. Even players become targets. Pressure cooker atmosphere. One mistake in a derby can define a career. Red cards, missed penalties. The margin for error, non-existent. What happens in Coventry and Sunderland echoes across Europe. From Seville to Hamburg, regional rivalries carry cultural and political weight. In a globalized world, they preserve identity, inspire loyalty, fuel competition, drive tourism, but they also challenge the European ideal. Inclusivity, respect, unity. Rivalries flirt with division. UEFA's campaigns against hate often clash with tribal loyalty. Coventry versus Sunderland is a case study, a reminder of football's balancing act, honoring tradition without breeding hostility. As both clubs chase Premier League dreams, this rivalry is far from over. With modern infrastructure, fan-led reforms, and community-driven growth, this fixture may evolve, from grudge match to model of healthy competition. For Europe, it's a signal. The heart of football still beats strongest in its local roots, in city streets, in rival chants, in games like Coventry versus Sunderland. It's more than a game, it's Coventry versus Sunderland. A story of pride, pain, and passion, woven into the tapestry of European football heritage.